Viewers, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to recover the database from suspect mode. If the database is corrupted or anything goes down, then a database went to a recovery state. From recovery we have to recover. For that I will demonstrate you how to recover from recovering state, that means suspected database we are going to recover. So in this video I am going to demonstrate and I will share you the script step by step. Just follow and try it in your demo servers. As you have seen, I have connected to a local machine. From there I show you the my database is in suspect mode. You can see here the database is in suspect mode. For seeing the database status, you have some script. I will share you the script, and from some agent log and event log also you can able to see the database mode, whether it is in recovery state or offline or some other mode. So based on that you can go ahead and cover up what need to be do next. So here I am straight away going and recovering the database directly. So I will share you end to end the database recovering step. Yeah, so here I'm first of all I'm seeing I'm checking the database status. While resetting the status you will get the proper status of database. So I already verified. Here I'm directly doing the activity. So after resetting the database then we have to take the database in emergency mode, so no one can do any activity. And after that we can able to do some normal sys level activity. For that we are keeping the database in emergency mode. Once the database came in emergency mode, then we have database come in emergency mode, then we have to check the database status while checking the DB. Then if any suspected come, then it will try to recover with page. Then we have to do alter database name with a single user with rollback immediate. Once it is come in single user mode, then we can do the allow data loss. So for doing allow data loss you need to get confirmation from a owner. After doing the database allow data loss, then you can try with alter database with multi-user. Then you can able to see the database is in up and it will running fine. So here you can able to see I have executed right now, and I'm going to execute the database script. As I told you, here I have already kept the database script. So once I executed the script, you can able to see. Once I am going to refresh the servers. Now you can able to see my database is up and running fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed my session. We will meet on a next chapter.